Welcome to Healthism, where we embrace holistic wellness for a vibrant life. Today, let's explore the wonders of nettle tea, a centuries-old remedy known for its health-boosting properties. Join us on this journey to discover its benefits and how it can enhance your well-being. Nettle tea is derived from the leaves and roots of the stinging nettle plant, Urtica dioica, and has been consumed for centuries due to its various health benefits. Here are 10 health benefits and nutrient profiles associated with nettle tea, as well as precautions, and a guide on how to prepare it at home. Nutrient profile, per 1 cup serving. Calories. 1 to 2. Vitamin A. 1 to 10% of the daily value, DV. Vitamin C. 1 to 2% DV. Vitamin K. 20 to 30% DV. Calcium. 1 to 2% DV. Iron. 1 to 2% DV. Magnesium. 1 to 2% DV. Potassium. 1 to 2% DV. Health benefits. 1. Rich in nutrients. Nettle tea contains a variety of nutrients including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Compounds in nettle tea, such as flavonoids and carotenoids, possess anti-inflammatory properties that may help alleviate conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. 3. Allergy relief. Some studies suggest that nettle tea may help alleviate symptoms of seasonal allergies like sneezing, itching, and congestion due to its anti-inflammatory and antihistamine properties. 4. Supports digestive health. Nettle tea may aid digestion and alleviate digestive issues like indigestion, bloating, and constipation due to its mild laxative and diuretic effects. 5. Boosts immune system. The high vitamin and mineral content in nettle tea can help strengthen the immune system, making it more effective in fighting off infections and illnesses. 6. May lower blood pressure. Some research suggests that nettle tea may help lower blood pressure due to its diuretic properties, which help reduce fluid retention and improve circulation. 7. Supports bone health. Nettle tea is rich in calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. 8. Skin health. Nettle tea may help improve skin conditions such as eczema, acne, and psoriasis due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. 9. Hair health. Drinking nettle tea or applying it topically may promote hair growth and improve the overall health of the hair and scalp due to its high mineral content. 10. Supports menstrual health. Nettle tea may help alleviate symptoms of premenstrual syndrome, PMS, such as bloating, cramps, and mood swings, due to its anti-inflammatory and hormone-balancing effects. Who to avoid. While nettle tea is generally safe for most people, there are certain individuals who should avoid it or use caution. 1. People taking blood thinners or medication for high blood pressure, as nettle tea may interact with these medications. 2. Pregnant women, as nettle tea may stimulate uterine contractions. 3. Individuals allergic to plants in the Urticaceae family, as they may also be allergic to nettle tea. No, let's see how to prepare nettle tea at home. Ingredients. 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried nettle leaves, or fresh leaves if available. 1 cup of water. Instructions. Boil water in a pot or kettle. Place the dried nettle leaves in a teapot or mug. Pour the boiling water over the nettle leaves. Cover and steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the tea to remove the leaves. Optionally, you can add honey or lemon to taste. Enjoy your homemade nettle tea. Note, Make sure to use gloves when handling fresh nettle leaves to avoid getting stung by the tiny hairs on the leaves. As we wrap up our exploration of nettle tea and its benefits in healthism, remember that prioritizing wellness leads to a fulfilling life. Subscribe to Healthism for ongoing insights and inspiration on your journey to optimal health. Be well and thrive.